Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Hey, Mike Foster here. And I've got with me one of the greatest IPAs in the world, Pliney the Elder. And this is a beer taste test. Now this stuff doesn't come cheap. This is from the Russian River Brewing Company. People wait in line for this beer. And they're very selective to who they send it to, who can sell it wholesale. They used to be able to get it here in town, but I had to go out of town about 90 miles to find this. And this is it's an 8% alcohol. This is 1 pint, and this is from the Russian River Brewing Company. They're in Santa Rosa, California. So this is 1 bottle of beer, and I'm not kidding, look how much that cost. Yeah, $7.99 for 1 bottle. But I've heard everything that you can think of about Pliney the Elder, which is considered one of the most sought after, one of the most rare, one of the most tastiest IPAs in the world. Pliney the Elder. Let's give this baby a taste. So we're going to take the top off. Let's give this baby a pour. I got a lightly chilled Pilsner glass. And let's put this in here. Alright. I like a nice IPA. I like a little bitter. Not too bittery. Oh, that's a perfect pour. I think it's perfect. Look how gorgeous that is. That's what I'm talking about. Pliney the Elder. And 8% alcohol. It has a fantastic smell to it. You can just smell some of those hops. That little bitter after smell, but there's a sweet citrusy smell to it. Let's give this baby a sip. Let that permeate my senses. The nose already tasted it. The tongue. I gotta tell you, this is a pretty good IPA. Now it's hard to say this is the best IPA I've ever had, the best beer I've ever had. There's so many different types of beers. I live in Sierra Nevada land, where they come up with some of the best beers I've ever tasted in my life. I'll tell you one thing, if you're going to drink a beer, there's a lot of carbs, a lot of calories, but there's a lot of flavor and there's a lot of satisfaction. Make sure you're drinking a good beer. There's craft breweries all over. Check them out. Drink in moderation, of course, but don't drink those light beers and that Bud Light and Coors Light and any of that garbage. Drink a real beer. Pliney the Elder. It's delicious. I'd say it's about a 9 out of 10. Maybe a 10 after I finish this one. I'll get back to you. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365. Excuse me. In my YouTube channel by the same name. Please subscribe. Until next time. Pliney. Peace.
Live life 365.
I gotta tell you, I like doing these things. Mike tries, Mike eats, Mike drinks, Mike cocktails. There's the Elder. This guy is real old right here. Here's the Elder. Pliney the Elder. Sweet bamboo if I ever had one. 20 minutes later. Pliney the Elder. This is my 5th one. I'm older than Pliney. I'm not the Elder.